This in-depth analysis will cover the evolution of the Q series, expected features, design enhancements, and more, offering valuable insights for photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. 1. Introduction. The Leica Q series has long been revered for its exceptional image quality, minimalist design, and robust performance. With the Leica Q4 on the horizon, anticipation is building around the innovations and enhancements it might bring. This article aims to explore the potential features, design changes, and technological advancements expected in the Leica Q4, providing a comprehensive overview for those eager to learn more about this upcoming release. 2. Evolution of the Leica Q series. Leica Q, 2015. The original Leica Q introduced a full-frame sensor in a compact body, featuring a fixed 28mm f/1.7 lens. It set a new standard for street and travel photography, combining portability with high image quality. Leica Q2, 2019. Building upon its predecessor, the Q2 offered a 47.3 MP sensor, improved weather sealing, and enhanced battery life. These upgrades solidified its position as a top choice for professionals seeking a compact yet powerful camera. Leica Q3, 2023. The Q3 introduced a 60 MP sensor, tilting touchscreen, and updated Maestro 4 processor. These enhancements catered to modern photographers' needs, offering greater flexibility and performance. 3. Anticipated features of the Leica Q4. Sensor improvements. Rumors suggest the Q4 may feature a 50 MP full-frame BSI CMOS sensor, potentially derived from the M11. This sensor could offer improved dynamic range and low-light performance, catering to photographers who demand high-quality images in various conditions. Enhanced autofocus. The Q4 is expected to incorporate a hybrid autofocus system, combining phase detection and contrast detection. This advancement would address previous models' limitations in tracking moving subjects, making it suitable for a broader range of photography styles. Image stabilization. A significant upgrade could be the inclusion of 5-axis in-body image stabilization, IBIS. This feature would allow for sharper handheld shots and smoother video recording, especially in low-light situations. Video capabilities. The Q4 might support 8K video recording at 24 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second, along with an improved Leica log profile for color grading. These enhancements would appeal to videographers seeking high-resolution footage with Leica's distinctive color science. 4. Design and ergonomics. Body design. Leica is known for its minimalist design philosophy. The Q4 is anticipated to maintain this aesthetic while introducing ergonomic improvements, such as a deeper grip for better handling. User interface. An updated user interface with customizable buttons and an intuitive menu system is expected, allowing photographers to tailor the camera's functions to their preferences. Display and viewfinder. A fully articulating 3.5-inch touchscreen and a high-resolution 6 million dot OLED electronic viewfinder, EVF, are rumored. These features would provide greater flexibility in composing shots from various angles. 5. Connectivity and storage. Wireless features. The Q4 is likely to include Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 for faster and more reliable wireless connections, facilitating seamless image transfer and remote camera control. Storage options. In addition to dual SD card slots, the Q4 might offer an internal 1 TB SSD, providing ample storage space and backup options for photographers on the go. 6. Battery life and power management. A new lithium-ion battery design could extend the Q4's battery life to approximately 600 shots per charge, nearly doubling the Q3's capacity. Enhanced power management systems would ensure efficient energy use, even with the addition of power-intensive features like IBIS and high-resolution video recording. 7. Market positioning and pricing. Leica's Q series has always occupied the premium segment of the compact camera market. With the anticipated upgrades, the Q4's price is expected to range between $6,500 and $7,500 for the standard model, with limited editions potentially exceeding $8,000. This pricing reflects Leica's commitment to quality and craftsmanship. 8. Target audience. The Q4 is designed for professionals and enthusiasts who prioritize image quality, build integrity, and a streamlined shooting experience. Its compact form factor makes it ideal for street, travel, and documentary photography, while the enhanced video capabilities broaden its appeal to content creators and videographers. 9. Community expectations and feedback. Photography communities have expressed desires for several features in the Q4. A 35mm or 40mm lens option to complement the existing 28mm focal length. Improved dynamic range and high ISO performance for better low-light shooting. Enhanced ergonomics, including a deeper grip and more customizable controls. Inclusion of a built-in ND filter and macro capabilities. These insights reflect the community's engagement and high expectations for the Q4. 10. Conclusion. The Leica Q4 stands poised to set a new benchmark in the realm of compact cameras. With anticipated advancements in sensor technology, autofocus, image stabilization, and video capabilities, it promises to cater to the evolving needs of modern photographers and content creators. As Leica continues to blend tradition with innovation, the Q4 is expected to uphold the brand's legacy of excellence while embracing the demands of contemporary photography.